What's up, guys? If you're looking for an Instagram private account viewer, you come to the right place, because I've decided to ask AI because all the videos on YouTube and the websites online just don't work. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually access a working Instagram private account viewer. So the first thing you want to do is go over to this website. Now, this is using AI. It's created by a developer which is using ChatGPT, which actually goes out and it actually scrapes the internet to find you the most reliable website. So once you go to the website, which is CodesGPT, that's codes with an S, gbt.com. The link will be below in the pinned comment as always for you guys. What you will do is scroll down and then click on the prompt here so you can see the Insta Private Viewer. And this is the latest working version as well. So what this is going to now do is scrape the internet to find us the most reliable website. Now, I've already used this one before. I used it yesterday and it works perfectly. So what you have to do is go over to the link which it provides. As you can see here, when determining if a site is reputable, rely on several factors: longevity, popularity, review, transparency, reputation, and partnerships. So as it tells you, you've got to go to the website, and then you need to answer a few questions, because the websites that they're giving you access to usually have a lot of sponsors, which are like big corporations, as you can see it says here. Just answer a few questions in return. I got the password yesterday for this website. So click on the click here icon there. And then once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to give you the password to the latest working website, which is going to enable you to actually access the Instagram private account viewer with the latest working method as well. And the password changes every day. So even I'm going to have to do this again now. But I did it yesterday. It worked perfectly. I was able to view all the accounts that I wanted to view without following. No problems at all. And the website that it gave me access to is updated every day. So there you go, guys. If you want to grab that, go ahead. The link will be below as always. Enjoy.